Classic renovators, I'd like to go over some exterior painting tips. One of the best ways to get a good job is proper preparation. So that might mean fixing some rotten wood like we did here. You see how we fixed the bottom of this door frame and sill that had some rot and splitting wood on the bottom. And you notice how we primed it with oil-based primer. We masked off all of the hardware. Sometimes we remove it. We actually cut out the caulking and recaulked. And if you look on the sides, we masked off the siding. The last person that painted this house made a mess, and they didn't mask, but even though they did go onto the siding somewhat, you know, classic renovators won't. We're still going to protect it even if it got hit by someone else. And if you look at the bottom, here's some bricks. The sill is aluminum. That's all covered, the bronze aluminum. And if you look, we have a brick patio here. We use exterior tape, this orange tape. I was in the paint store the other day, and I asked the manager of the store to get me some more of this tape. And he said, well, you're one of the only guys that use it. I said, that's strange. It's one of the best tapes. You can stick it to roofs or brick, and it doesn't leave any residue behind. He says, yeah, everybody's too cheap. They don't want to spend the money on tape. So I just wanted to show how we go above and beyond to do the best possible job. And right now we're painting just this front door and not the rest of the house. So we went out of our way. We actually made 3 trips, 3 different paint stores. Finally, we went to the first way because we knew they usually can match the color 100%. So now they have other shutters and other trim that same color as the front. I'm not going to introduce another color. I'm going to go out of my way to get the right color before I start the job. This is what sets us apart from other painting contractors. If you like this presentation and you'd like to get this quality of work, please see us at classicrenovator.com or click on the link below. Thank you.